I know I just been waiting. These problems I've been facing, yeah. I know I just been waiting. These problems I've been facing, these drugs that I've been slanging, I can't stop. No, my soul is set ablaze in this fire. I can take it. My problems, I just face them. I won't stop. Yeah. Now you need a bump to get back up.
Okay. All right. So you guys were there with us when we bought this compact. Now you're with us for its death. It was sitting outside of Trevor's house, and we think a rat got to it and ate a cable, and then it spontaneously combusted while sitting under his house. So luckily no further damage was done, no other cars were harmed, no people were harmed, and ultimately just this car died. So needs a new radiator, new intake manifold, entire wiring harness, even the fuse box is melted, the brake fluid reservoir is fucked, the booster is bad, every single bit of this is just
Crunchy.
yeah, very crunchy, very bad. The radiator expansion tank is bad. The alternator, the steering rack has even suffered some damage. The injectors are melted. Literally, this is the fuel rail, so quite literally everything has been affected. There's a lot of heat here that went through it, and we don't know what to do. What do you guys think we should do? Should we try to fix it? Or should we just part it out and sell it and sell off the parts? If you guys are interested in parts, let us know in the comments, and maybe in a week or two we'll have a parts list, and we can start stripping this thing down. Even the radiator hoses like just fully melted through. Now it's sticky. Back there, Szymon's car works.
Okay, do it one more time.
Okay.
It's a great car.
Great car, yes. So we just put a new battery in it. Now it works.
Yeah. As it moves?
Yeah, it moves. It needs to be strapped down.
That's good.
We're
fine.
After I welded the diff in it, I put engine oil in the diff because we didn't have any other oil. So he needs to buy diff oil and put the bumper on it, and then she should be good to go.
Oh, the jack point.
And the
It's
jack
not
point.
longer-
Yeah, gotta put the jack point on too. So, a couple little things.
Yeah.
But the battery,
Cables are new.
no, those aren't new.
No.
Oh, really?
Those are the old cables still too.
1998.
Oh, these lights are new.
When I put it, I broke it.
Yeah, so now it's taped. So that's okay. Here, we'll show. Look underneath the car. It's quite crusty there too, from all the damages. When the firefighters came to put the car fire out, there was people on site, but nobody had a fire extinguisher. They used the jaws of life to break open the hood, and in the same time they ruined this, the kidney grill panel, the kidney grills, the headlight, and then they went to get inside the car as well, and now there's just tons of glass everywhere, all over the place. Kind of sad, and they also cut his seat, so that's really, really sad. It's kind of like avoidable damage, but whatever, they're doing their job. It's good that nothing worse happened, I guess. This badge is decent. I could steal this from him. Yeah,
Looks better than Daniel's.
that's true.
That's not true.
But the interior is good. The transmission, the manual swap, the pedal assembly, the brake system, there's a hydraulic handbrake in it. The engine block is good. It's a 2.8 liter aluminum block. The engine mounts, all that stuff is good. The fan might still be good. It looks good. So if there's anything you guys are interested in, let us know. And then the car actually still has a clean title. It can be insured and registered again, but we'll have it stripped out, all the wiring and stuff, anything that was on fire and cleaned up, and then the body will probably be for sale as well, or the chassis. Unless we decide to fix it. Let us know if that's something you want to see. I mean, I don't want to fix it, but then here we have my compact. It's still broken 3 months later. Still fucked. Very depressing. If anybody wants to come and fix it, let me know. We replaced the clutch assembly in it. We replaced lower control arms, angle kit. Got new Odessa parts in it. Everything, or this has been moved over too. It holds pressure. Like, that's hard already, but it won't go into gear. It's very depressing, very, very depressing. So that has been the bane of my life. Working 12-hour days, so we're not gonna be touching this until a good paycheck comes in, and then probably buy a lot of stuff for it. Taillights are still good though, and I want them from Trevor. Tell him I should buy them from him. 3 months worth of dust. Ew. The nicest part of the engine still, the exhaust manifolds that were freshly heat wrapped. If only the entire car was heat wrapped. The craziest thing, oil cap still works.
In the backseat and we both fucked up. Yeah, we headed back to Knocker, but we both want love. But I can't show love, cause I ain't bout that shit. Nah, now we chilling in the corner of the room. I ain't even off the molly or the coke or the shrooms. I'll be sipping on my syrup.
Daniel did the Volvo grill. What do you guys think? Good or bad?
I'll be smoking this blue. I ain't talking to no hoes, I ain't talking to goose. Nah, sipping on codeine. Give me a minute, bound to be tripping. Lean to be slipping. I used to be dripping, hoes will be pimping. Little bitch, I run it back. He gone like that, spin them backs. I got a hoes, they lining up, they just want me back. They just want me back. Yeah, they just want me back. Yeah, they just want me back. But I can't feel in these hoes, I can feel it no more. They just want me back. Yeah, they just want me back. Yeah, they just want me back. But I can feel in these hoes, I can feel it.
Jello's Golf is getting these. So we'll be adding more camber to the front of the car. Angelo recently put some rotiforms on his Golf and some Project Z2W, Project Z2W, ZW0, something like that. Headlights. Nice. Nothing has happened. I don't know how Golf suspension works too much.
Me neither.
Oh, polyurethane. What is this?
Interesting.
It's a cup. I'm pushing and it's not doing anything.
Oh, maybe it's moving a little bit. Maybe.
You just don't want to break it.
Maybe we should try
Ah,
this
yes, yes. Give her the nut. Maybe this part has to go down.
one. Wait, what the fuck? What are they doing?
Aha! Kitty, kitty, come for food. Nice.
It burns my eyes.
Oh, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Yeah, I think the wheels just have to go down further. Stop. A forklift with a Polonaise swap in it. So it's a car engine in a forklift. Nie widać. This might be tough. Just to get this thing out, we gotta loosen the sway bar end link to let this droop down more. Have this wheel in the air as well to allow for maximum droopage. Apparently this is just literally one bolt. This comes off, that goes down, and then that bushing comes off, and we should be able to put on the camber. Wow. Style muffler now.
Jest w środku, ale obraca się cała. To jest okej, czy nie?
It's a crazy looking Alfa Romeo you got.
The best one.